Hey boys and girls, so we are going to begin talking about science, and we're going to be specifically learning about matter and describing and classifying different objects for the next several weeks. So today I am going to teach you how to ask questions that describe different objects according to their physical properties. Okay? So I am going to show you a picture of candy, okay? So a picture of this candy right here, and I want you to notice and wonder and look at that picture. What kind of candy is this? Do they all taste the same? Well, look and notice. Do they taste the same? Are some soft and some hard? Do any of them taste sour? Are they chewy? Well, what happens when you mix it with water, possibly? What might happen? Do they all smell alike? And do they all taste like fruit? Do any have chocolate in the middle? These are types of questions that I want you to sit and kind of think and wonder about for a moment. Now, we're going to discuss this in a moment. I just kind of want you to get your mind thinking, answering some of these questions on your own. Okay, let's look at this right here. This chart right here is all the different properties of matter. So, size is a physical property. A physical property is something that can be observed with the senses. So you can see if something is large or small. You can see if they are different colors. You can see the different shapes. Sometimes they're rectangular, sometimes they're circular. You can feel with your hands how hard. Is it hard or is it kind of soft? The sound you hear drums have a different sound than a fish. A fish is very quiet. The texture. Kitty cats are fuzzy, right? Tree trunks, like the tree bark, is very rough. The flavor of something you taste with your mouth. A lemon is very sour, where a strawberry is very sweet. Okay? And then chips are very salty. That's the flavor. Temperature is another physical property. Some things can be cold, while other things can be hot. Okay? Now, when you come back to me on Zoom, I would like for you to get out your social studies notebook. Now, I have added the word science to it because this is going to be both social studies and science. So, once you come back to me, we're going to get our science section set up, and we're going to notice and wonder about the candy we just saw on this page. So, go ahead and get your notebook ready and something to write with, and meet me on Zoom. See you in a moment.